In this video, I will be showing you how to get free VPN for iPhone. But first, let me introduce to you this what we call Apple Private Relay. So you can use iCloud Private Relay to help stop websites and network providers from compiling comprehensive profiles of you when you sign up for iCloud. The traffic leaving your iPhone is encrypted and transmitted across two different internet relays when iCloud Private Relay is enabled. This stops network providers from tracking your surfing activities in Safari and stops websites from seeing your IP address and precise location. Note that not all nations or regions have access to iCloud Private Relay, I think including my country. So you can visit their website to know for further details. Okay, so with the help of Private Relay or privacy feature in Safari, you may keep your DNS records and IP address private from website. So here's the thing. Like what I've mentioned earlier, what if my region doesn't have this, or in my region we cannot enable this iCloud Private Relay? So the best option for that is of course VPN. And that's the reason why I created this tutorial about how to get free VPN for iPhone. That could be a replace for your iCloud Private Relay. So for iPhone VPN, we have here Proton VPN. And aside from Proton VPN that gives you security, privacy, and freedom, we have also other VPNs such as Atlas. Okay, so you can go to their website to see the advantages of getting these VPNs. Okay, so for this, we have Atlas VPN. We have here pricing. We have here 85% off. And that 85% off, you can enjoy gaming and so on. But of course, you have to pay for that because, if you want security and privacy like 100% sure, you have to go for paid VPNs, okay, such as Atlas, ExpressVPN, which I'm going to tell you later. So if you want to download this, you just have to download for free. Okay, download is for free, but to use it, you have to pay for that. So in order to download, you have to click download, install, wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Then once done, all you have to do is to run this as administrator and then open. Now, how good is the Atlas VPN for iPhone? Okay, so the greatest level of encryption is used by Atlas VPN to ensure that any data you send over the servers is well scrambled and difficult to link to you because they prevent hackers from breaking into your connection and stealing your personal information. DNS safeguards are especially useful when utilizing public internet connections. Additionally, Atlas VPN contains a skill switch that instantly terminates your internet connection if the VPN ever disconnects or is in a way compromised. Because it has been thoughtfully developed with a mobile device in mind, the iOS application is significantly more appealing. The connect button is prominently displayed in nearby locations, and other crucial features are well labeled and simple to use. With this mobile, they found out that this VPN is great in speed connection and protection. So that's the good thing about Atlas VPN when you want to use this for your iPhone. Also, this VPN is highly recommended for your iPhone, especially if you are a Netflix lover. You can watch the movie if it's restricted to your country. You just have to change your VPN and connect to that specific country, and you can watch the movie you like. Okay, so that's the good thing about this Atlas VPN. So let's proceed to the next VPN for iPhone. Here, NordVPN. Virtual Private Network or VPN. Your web traffic is encrypted and your IP address is hidden while using a VPN on iPhone, specifically NordVPN. By routing your traffic through remote VPN service, a VPN service prevents your internet provider and other parties from intercepting and snooping on your traffic and sensitive information. By using NordVPN, users can access VPN services. They frequently advise using paid premium services, like what I've mentioned earlier, because it is, more advanced than those free VPNs. So your internet connection between your iOS devices and a VPN provider is encrypted. Your privacy is protected. Your iPhone is additionally shielded from fraudsters and data snoopers via virtual private network if you set up this NordVPN. So another VPN here for iPhone is Surfshark. And as you can see here, all you have to do is to go to their website to see or to know information about this Surfshark. So they said that Surfshark is the perfect VPN for Apple users. Okay, so Surfshark is among the few significant providers to give limitless devices and concurrent connections. You might believe that 5 or 6 devices are sufficient, but you'll probably want to utilize Surfshark on all of them. Additionally, sharing a single account among the entire family is simple thanks to Surfshark's outstanding device support. So, additionally to specific applications, this is good for iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV. So, iPhone users, they highly recommend Surfshark. And last but not the least, we have here ExpressVPN, the simplest and most efficient way for individuals to secure their internet traffic and maintain the privacy of their identities online. Your internet traffic passes through an encrypted tunnel as you connect to a secure VPN server, which is this ExpressVPN, that no one can look into, not even hackers, governments, or your internet service provider. So again, we have Proton VPN, have Atlas VPN, NordVPN, Access VPN, and Surfshark VPN for iPhone. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.